Hi everyone, it's Jenny from the Edison Public Library, and today we are going to be making a Valentine's Day themed unicorn paper plate craft. Let's get started. So for this craft, you're going to need a few different kinds of supplies. We need multiple different colors of paper. You definitely want a white and a yellow. The other paper color choices are completely up to you. Since I'm doing the Valentine's Day version of this craft, I chose different shades of pink. You're going to need your ruler, a paper plate, a black Sharpie marker, or a red one too if you do decide to do the pink colors, scissors, some glue, and a pencil just in case you need to make measurements. So for all my paper, I chose to use cardstock. If you don't have cardstock, you can definitely use construction paper or any other kind of colorful paper you may have. So let's get started. To begin, what you're going to do is take your paper plate and put it off to the side. We're not going to use that until the very end. So we have our paper plate, we're just going to put it off to the side. So I'm going to first start with my multicolored paper. I have my two pinks, a yellow, and a white. So I'm going to put my yellow and the white aside. And I have these two pinks, and then I have an additional pink I'm going to use later on. So I'm going to put that on the side also. So to begin, what you're going to do is you need your ruler. You're going to measure out 1 inch by 4-inch strips of alternating different colors. So you're gonna need about 14 of these strips. So let's get started with measuring. So now I have my 7 4 by 1 inch strips on my 2 different colored papers that I'm going to cut out. Okay, so now I have 14 2 different colored 1 inch by 4-inch strips. These are going to be the main of our unicorn. So I'm going to put those off to the side until I'm finished with all my cuts. So the next cut I'm going to do is with my extra pink piece of paper. So as you can see, this pink piece of paper has a pretty cool design on it. So it kind of looks like a tie-dye or like a cloud. So I chose this one because I wanted to be the snout of our unicorn. So I'm going to draw a heart on this pink paper, but the easiest way to do this is to fold the paper in half. And I want it to be a pretty decent sized heart on the larger side. Okay, so now I have my heart cut out and I'm gonna put that to the side as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is my unicorn horn. I'm going to go from top to the bottom of the paper, not long ways, but short ways. And what I'm going to do is try and make this cute and fun. So this is going to be my unicorn horn. So I'm going to put that to the side and make one more thing. The last thing I'm going to do is take my white piece of paper to make my ears. So I'm going to fold it in half. That way they're both even, and I'm going to draw out my ears, which are going to be kind of pointy at the top and flat on the bottom. So these are going to be my ears. So I'm going to cut this out now. So now I have my ears. So now that all of my pieces are cut out, I'm going to start assembling my unicorn. I'm going to take my white blank paper plate. If you don't have like a regular cardboard type paper plate, you could use any kind that you do have. And I'm going to take my glue and begin. So to start, what I'm going to do is flip my paper plate over so the back side's towards me. And I'm going to glue, or if you find that glue doesn't work very well, you could always staple. I'm going to glue my ears down on the back of my horse. My unicorn, I'm sorry. Okay, so I have my ears glued on. So the next thing I'm going to do is glue my mane down. So your mane is going to be those 14 strips that you had cut out. So I'm gonna alternate. I'm going to start at the first ear and work my way around my horse with every other, my unicorn. Right now it's a horse. We haven't put the special magic touch on here yet to make it a unicorn. We're gonna work our way around to make the mane. Okay, now that I assembled all my mane on the back of my unicorn, I'm going to flip it over. And as you can see, the pieces all look like a hair mane. And now I'm going to start with my unicorn horn. So we're turning this horse into a unicorn, and I'm going to glue it right in the center on the front in between the two sides. Okay, so now my unicorn horn is on. He is officially a unicorn. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my heart that I cut out, and I'm going to put it right in the center. And this is going to be our snout. I may trim up just a little bit because I did make the heart slightly large, and it's not fitting the way I'd like it to. So I'm gonna just trim the bottom real quick before putting it on. Okay, now my heart is on. So all the major glue pieces have been assembled. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my hearts that I have on the side. If you don't have these hearts, it's totally fine. You could just draw them on if you want, but I'm gonna glue mine on. I'm gonna take a big red one and glue it to the bottom here, like lips of the unicorn. Is glue 2 of them upside down to the ears. So it's like the inside of the ears. Okay, the rest of the hearts, what I'm going to do is glue them all around here like a crown. Okay, I think that's enough for my hearts. Now the last step I'm going to do is, instead of using my googly eyes, I actually think I want to use a black Sharpie marker to make this. So what I'm going to do is make 2 hearts right here as if it's for the nose. And now I'm going to make my eyes, which are just like smiles. So 2 smiles, and I'm making them thick. And then some eyelashes. And that is how you make a unicorn. This is such a fun craft. What I would recommend doing is, if you wanted to use this as a Valentine's Day card for a friend, a family member, maybe your mom, your dad, your grandparents, aunts or uncles, I would write right in here your Valentine's saying for those family members or friends. Also, I recommend reading A Unicorn Day by Diana Murray to go along with this. This is such a fun book, and it goes great with this craft. Have a great day, guys. Bye.